Once the foundation is in place, GrowTrack starts doing something very important. It watches time. The season overview shows how GrowTrack understands your current growing moment, not the calendar date, not what weather app says, but where your garden actually is in the season. This matters because gardening is about timing more than anything else. The season overview brings together several signals: your location, your garden conditions, recent weather patterns, and upcoming risks. Instead of asking you to work this out yourself, GrowTrack does it quietly behind the background. The season overview is not a to-do list. It is context. It tells you the phase your garden is in right now. Early season, active growth, transition, wind down. This helps explain why certain tasks appear, why some planting windows open or close, why GrowTrack suggests waiting or acting. You're not expected to memorize this. You glance at it to orientate yourself. Think of it as a checking of the horizon before you decide what to do. The season overview is especially useful when things feel out of sync. When the calendar says one thing, but your garden feels behind. When weather shifts suddenly. When a season starts early or late. GrowTrack adjusts based on real conditions, not assumptions. This is why the season overview changes. It responds to your environment, not a fixed timetable. You do not need to act on every time it changes. Sometimes it simply explains why GrowTrack is behaving the way it is. The season overview works because the foundation you already set. Accurate gardens define environment. Beds define conditions. Plantings anchor timings. Without those, the season is generic. With them, it becomes personal. Use the season overview to frame your decisions. Before you plant, before you panic, before you assume you're late or early. It helps you ask better questions. And when something is unclear, Rowan can explain how the season is influencing what you see. In the next video, we will look at one of the most common questions gardeners ask. What should I plant right now?